My baby. All right. I'll give you a break. Me too. Oh my God, there's hair everywhere. There's, oh my God, hair, lip gloss. Okay, I think I'm going to let her air dry for the rest because she's not too wet right now. Hang on, Memo. Oh. Oh, I hate it. Literally, there's nothing that gets dog hair off my face like a makeup brush. Oh, it's everywhere. I'm debating putting freaking tape on my face right now. Can't do it. I forget about this part. Okay, I think we're good for the most part. You ready to go show Daddy? Watch her. She's about to run this house like a maniac. Oh my God. Hair. We're good. Y'all ready? Hang on. Let me show you exactly what she does. What, Melody? You happy? Are you happy? Here we go. Where you going, Mama? Is he still inside or is he outside? Oh, this song. Oh, he's in the shower. Come here. Come here. Come on. What are you doing? Melody? Trigger. Yeah? Oh my goodness. Oh, we're happy. Oh my God. All right. Okay, no. Trigger? So when she gets excited, he gets excited, but he's not allowed to be that excited. Hey, you can't be like that around her. 100%. Oh, yeah, you're running around this house like a squirrel. Okay. Clean and feeling excited, exactly. Trigger, you want to see Trigger get a new toy? And then we'll go mess with the lipstick for a little bit. I got him this. Trigger, you want a toy? Melody, you want a treat? Here, Mel. For being such a good girl. Huh? What do you want? Wolfie? Here. Here, Trig. Just because you're just... All right, let's see what happens with this toy. Come on, Trig. Okay, wrong way. Okay, Trigger. Want a new toy? Oh, wow. Okay. That's a yes. Hang on. Ha. Nice! You like it? Get it, Bubba. Yeah. Oh, wow. You like it? I think it's safe to say he likes it. Triggy, what you got? What do you got? Okay, yeah. Not even interested in the thing that I say right now. I'm not mad at it. Okay, let's go through this Mac stuff really quick. And then we're going to call it a night. So, if y'all haven't seen my story on Thank you, Robert. If y'all haven't seen my story on Instagram, basically I went to Mac, like we talked about yesterday. And, okay, Google, pause. I went to Mac today, like we talked about yesterday, to find a similar shade to a lipstick that they had like 2 years ago, because I bought out that lipstick shade when I found out that it was going, it was like limited edition or whatever. So I just ran out of the rest of that lipstick shade, whatever, right? So let me show you that lipstick shade. And basically I went into Mac and they were not helpful 1 bit. Not helpful at all. Like no hope at all. So this is the lipstick shade. We'll have to go through this pretty quick because I gotta go, but I have nothing on my lips right now, but here you go. Aw, really? Tricky is a beautiful boy. He's also a big pain in the ass. Okay, that's the shade, right? This was the lipstick that we were trying to... Okay, oh, there you go. Now you can see it. That we're trying to get to Matt. Basically, none of them helped me out. They're like, we don't have a color like that here at all. Well, I found a color. Found two. What the fuck? So, one of them looked identical almost, which was Runaway Hit. And it's almost a little bit too dark, but we have a baby pink to lighten it. Ready? So this is the lipstick and Runaway Hit. Look at that. Almost identical. Almost. It's just not glossy. Look at that. And then it might be a little less pink than the, I don't know. So I got this one. It's almost identical. Almost identical. So I'm happy. Then I got Flamingo, which is really pink, but could totally be blended in if I wanted it more corally. Or Baby Pinky, can you tell? This one's Flamingo. Look how close these are. I had so much fun. So, yeah, I think I need to eat something. Hi, Simplex! I think I pretty much nailed it. So we're going to go ahead and put it on. And then I got Strip Down lip liner because it's a classic. Let's do it. Let's see if I nailed it or not. And after this, we'll have to go. I might see y'all later tonight. I'm not sure yet. Okay. Lined with Strip Down. That's such a pretty liner. Look at that. Here we go. Runaway Hit. Oh, please, Jesus, please. Please be the right one.